Hello and welcome to English Learning Series. My name is Effie and I'd like to bring you some tips on how to improve your English speaking. Let's check it out. Many of us pronounce each English word clearly to get the pronunciation perfect, but native English speakers don't do this. I'm talking about reduced sounds. Reduced sounds are common in American English speaking. They are pronounced in very short and weak sounds, like the sound change and disappear when spoken at natural speed. These suprasegmental features make American English fast and fluent. I want to show you some examples of reduced sounds. The first is the reduction of the word to that sound like t or a. So the written words are spoken differently like wanna, gonna, oughta, haveta, hasda, hadda. So if you read the following examples like this: I wanna go home. I'm gonna visit Japan next month. I ought to try harder next time. You have to make sure the door is locked. She has to write the report soon. He had to take a taxi when he got a flat tire last night. The second example now. Words like and, or, and for are also used in most of sentences, and they are pronounced in very short and weak sounds like n, fur, or fur. So if you read the following sentences: coffee and cream, either coffee or tea is fine for me. For information, please call 678-993. I'm doing this for my kids. The third is the reduction of H sound. When the word him or her are used as an object in a sentence, the sentence is on the verb. The H sound of the two words are often removed and the rest of the word is pronounced rather weak by linking with the previous sound, either with a vowel or a consonant. So when it's written, him or her will be spoken like him or her. For example, I saw him in the canteen just now. Eva is a nice girl and I like her a lot. And number 4 now is the reduction of the word of after some words like front, kind, kinds, lot, lot, out, sort, and type. So the word of will sound like a after those words. So they will sound like fronna, kinda, kindsa, lotsa, lotta, outa, sorta, typer. For example, there's a sculpture in front of the building. I feel kinda tired. We got all kinds of that. There are lots of choices here. You've got a lot of nerve. Can we get out of here? His explanation sort of made sense. For number 5, there's a reduction of U sound after words that end with d or t sound. These are common in questions like did you become ja? What did you become what ja? Where did you become whereja? When did you whenja? Who did you whoja? Would you woulja? See our next examples. Do you get that? What'd you do with that? Where'd you get that? When'd you meet them? Who'd you meet yesterday? Would you like it? If you still remember assimilation in our previous video, this is almost the same for words ending with T followed by U. Will sound like ch. Like betcha, don'tcha, getcha, gotcha. Number 6 is the reduction of have after some modals that sound like a. So the written could have becomes coulda, might have become mighta, must have become musta, should have become shoulda, would have become woulda. Then you will read the example next like this. You could have told him the truth. I might have asked her for a favor. He must have guessed. You should have told her first. I never would have believed it. So friends, if you want to sound natural in your American English speaking, you have to use lots of reduced sounds into your daily practice. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in different videos. Bye bye.